What are the benefits of moringa leaves? Rich in nutrients, moringa leaves are packed with vitamins and minerals that keep our bodies healthy. Boosts energy. Eating moringa leaves can give you a natural energy boost to keep you active and alert. Supports immune system. Moringa leaves can strengthen your immune system to fight off illnesses and infections. Improves digestion. They aid in digestion and can help relieve digestive issues like constipation. Promotes healthy skin. Moringa leaves can make your skin glow and help manage common skin problems. Aids in weight management. These leaves can assist in maintaining a healthy weight when combined with a balanced diet. Lowers blood sugar levels. Moringa leaves may help regulate blood sugar levels, beneficial for those with diabetes. Reduces inflammation. They have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help manage inflammatory conditions. Supports heart health. Consuming moringa leaves may contribute to a healthier heart and lower cholesterol levels. Rich in antioxidants. Moringa leaves are full of antioxidants, protecting your body from damage caused by free radicals. How to consume moringa leaves. Fresh leaves. Eat the leaves in salads or add them to your dishes like you would with spinach or kale. Powder. Grind the leaves into a fine powder and add it to smoothies, soups, or sprinkle it on your food. Would you like to know where to find moringa leaves? You can find fresh moringa leaves at local markets, health food stores, or even grow them at home. Moringa leaf powder is available at health food stores, online shops, or pharmacies. Do you know how to grow moringa leaves? Get seeds. Purchase moringa seeds from a nursery or online store. Planting. Plant the seeds in well-draining soil in a sunny spot. Watering. Water the plant regularly, but avoid overwatering as moringa prefers drier conditions. Fertilize. Use a balanced fertilizer to help the plant grow faster. Pruning. Trim the branches and leaves to encourage growth and maintain a manageable size. Harvesting. Once the tree is around 3 to 4 feet tall, you can start harvesting the leaves. Moringa is a wonderful plant with many health benefits, and incorporating it into your diet can be a great way to boost your overall well-being.